Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did the ombre for this set right here. It was very requested, so I really wanted to make sure I get a tutorial for you guys. It was requested on this set right here that I had posted on my Instagram, and I recreated this nude set in ombre with some new gel polishes that I got, and also I wanted to make a pre-made set just so that someone could, like, you know, purchase it and have it as their nails and stuff. And I'm thinking of doing another one and doing it and giving it away on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that as well. And here we are, we're gonna get started. So I got some new gel polishes from Nail Reserve LA. I love their stuff. I'm wearing my little UV glove just to protect my skin because this hand is always in the UV lamp. I did show it in a haul, but I love all of these nude collections. This is the June collection, and I'm gonna link it in the description box down below for you guys. I also have a code in case you guys are interested, but I'm zooming in here for you. These are literally the most perfect nudes and browns ever. I've always needed an essential brown gel polish. I don't know why, but if you think about it, it's kind of hard to find like a really good one, especially for fall time. I always need browns, and nudes are literally a color I use almost every single day. Like literally every day, so I always need them, whether it's for a French tip, I need it to mix a color. I use them a lot to mix colors actually, to paint designs on, so I'm always needing colors like this. And I'm just using some stiletto swatch sticks, and I'm just showing you guys all the colors here, and I'm so obsessed with them. They're just gorgeous colors. They're literally one coat colors where you only need one coat, and they go on so smooth and so pigmented. And I am showing you guys the name of it right afterwards, and I'm so in love with them. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the swatches here. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to be getting started on the design. I'm going to show you guys how to do a vertical ombre. It's literally so simple to do, and I know it looks harder than it actually is, so I'm so excited to show you guys how to achieve this, because you guys are going to have the most gorgeous ombres on your nails. This also works for any Gel X technique, so if you're a Gel X artist, I literally love showing you guys designs like this that you guys can do. So I'm going to be grabbing a whole bunch of different nudes. I'm not really sure what color theme I'm going with. This was just a freestyle set, so I'm just grabbing whatever color nudes I want. Some of basically every single nude. I think I used almost all of them in the collection, and we're going to just be going in with all the colors. So I'm just going ahead and putting them on my desk here, and I'm going to be showing you guys the type of brush you're going to need. So you can use any types of colors, you guys. This will work with any color. I could even make another tutorial using like a pink and like a red mixed, so you guys can see that it works with any color at all. It could even work with white and black if you guys want like a really cool look as well. This is the type of brush I'm going to be using. It is a flat like brush. Any type of flat brush will work that's rounded like this. It's from Enailcouture, and I believe it's called the application or the polygel brush. I'm not really sure. I think it's polygel brush, but literally any polygel brush will work. I also used another one on my last set, so I just grabbed whatever brush I see here on my desk, and I'm going to be going in with my first color. So I'm going to be doing a nice contrast as much as I can. So you want to use two colors, one that's lighter, one that's darker, or two bright colors, whatever you want, as long as you can like blend them and you can notice that they're different, if you know what I mean. Like, don't use two pinks that look too similar, because then you won't be able to contrast the ombre very well. You know, just like if you're doing a regular ombre on like acrylic nails, you don't want to use two nudes or something that's similar, because then you're not gonna be able to tell. So I'm grabbing two different nudes here, the dark brown and then this nude, and I'm gonna be just putting each one on each side, and I'm going in the middle and blending the two. It's so simple, you guys. You can even go a little more to the right, a little more to the left to blend them into each other, and it's so simple. You could see there I already like pretty much did it. But then I'm going to grab a little bit of the lighter color, but these colors are so pigmented. Literally, I didn't even need a lot of gel, and I was kind of like putting too much. You could also use painting gels for these. I have some painting gels from other brands like Enailcouture, and I think I have some from Madame Glam, and those painting gels work so good. That's actually what I used on my set that I showed you guys right here in the beginning of the video that I had on my Instagram. I used a bunch of different painting gels and gel polishes for that set because it was a custom request from a customer, so I just went ahead and did exactly what she wanted. And as you could see, this just looks so pretty. And then I go in with that same brush and I create my ombre. So I just go in, or not my ombre, sorry, my smile line for my French tip, and I just go in and clear it out. As you can see, it's so satisfying clearing it off. And if you end up making it a little bit too wide, like I made mine a little bit more wide than I wanted to, I'm gonna leave my mistakes in because I just want you guys to see that it's totally fine, and I'm just gonna continue. But if I mess up, I'm gonna leave the mistakes in and let you guys see how I would fix it. So then I'm going to grab another color nude, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it again with a darker color. You could even custom mix colors like I just did there. I mixed that darker brown and the brown next to it, and I made a color a little bit lighter. So it's just like completely up to you what you want to do with the colors. You can completely custom it, and you guys, you will have such a bomb nail set. Look at that. It looks so pretty. This set was everything. I was so obsessed with it. And when I had posted it on my Instagram, it sold within like a matter of probably like 20 minutes because the vertical ombre is so popular. Like, people love it. Like, they really do. So if you guys are looking for some ready to ship like set inspo or something like that, and you guys don't really know what people will like, try something like this. I highly recommend it because you guys will most likely sell that set right away. I'm literally giving you guys my tips and tricks. I definitely love helping you guys out. So that's what I would do for sure. And as you can see, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. And right here is when I realized my French tip was a little bit wide. So I went ahead and went back in, blended the colors again. And I'm just going ahead and gonna redo that French tip. And I love these colors like I mentioned earlier, but I'm just going ahead and blending them. Depending on the kind of colors you use, sometimes they might be harder to blend or easier depending how pigmented they are. Do not use any type of sheer gel polish for this. It's not going to work. You definitely want to use gel polishes that are really pigmented because you want to make sure that the colors blend well together. So that's another tip I'm going to give. And to clean up the French tip, I'm just using some acetone. And people always ask me like, oh, does it not like melt the base color, like the base nude? And no, you guys, it doesn't. You're basically just barely dipping your brush in the acetone just to get enough to clean up your nail. You're not using enough for it to melt away the gel polish underneath. So I just wanted to say that really quickly. Also, the base color that I used here is Riyas Nails number 112. And yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna let you kind of watch a little bit, but it's super simple, super easy. I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you guys do try it, please tag me on Instagram and I will post you guys on my story. So yes, I'm gonna let you guys watch this. So that was it for this video, you guys. It was super easy to do. I didn't record the rhinestone part just because I feel like you guys see me apply rhinestones so often and I don't want to make you guys bored. But yes, this is how you do a vertical ombre. Like I mentioned, I could even do another set with this same design but a different color, so you guys can kind of check it out and see. But this is kind of what it's looking like, and I'm going to show you guys the end product again right here. So this is what it looked like. So pretty. I actually added some little crystals into my box, but yeah, it's so pretty. I really do love it. If you guys wondering what shimmer top coat that is Enailcouture shimmer top coat. You could just find it on their website. It comes in a pack of 3. I really love it. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.